We made it. Well, thought we were at the top, but we're not. Still have to keep going up to the peak, and then we will get it. Definitely make sure you bring a rain jacket because it just starts raining out of nowhere. We are on our way back down the mountain. We are not going on the trail because it's too muddy and we don't want to fall. You can expect to fall, we were told, if you go back down on the trail. And I'm glad we didn't. Since it's raining now, it'd probably be even that much more muddy. It is coming down. So you better be prepared for when this happens.
Keep on following the devil, he's your man.
At some point we have to get back on the trail, unfortunately. So we are back on the trail. But like in the beginning, I showed you the trail is really nice. And it's already paved for us, so it's not too muddy, and it's built up so it's not puddly or anything like that. So we are good to go. We're headed out, and that was our hike to the peak of Yunque.